Hello friends, you're welcome to another class. Today we have this question to try, and it's an indical equation that was to solve 9 to the power of x minus x to the power of 4 equals to 65. Now you know that anytime you solve the indical equation, the goal is to make sure that at some certain point the basis will be equated so that you will have the value of the variable. Now let's look at how we solve this question. The question says 9 to the power of s minus x to the power of 4 equals to 65. So we can say that 9, we can write now as 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by that x, which is x, minus x to the power of 4. We can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2 will be equals to 65. We can break 65 into 2. Let's say 13 multiplied by 5. That will give us 65, right? So from here, let's rearrange this. We can rearrange this as 3 to the power of x squared minus x squared raised to the square. 13 multiplied by 5. Now, what do you notice from here? We have experienced the difference of 2 squared. So let us apply the principle of difference of 2 squared. You know that in mathematics, a squared minus b squared. This is the same as a plus b multiplied by b, a minus b. That is how to express the difference of 2 squared. So we have expressed this here. Now, let's look at how we can do that. This is the same as 3 to the power of x plus x squared multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus x squared will be equals to 13. That is 13 multiplied by 5. Now, when you have this, what to do is you equate the first bracket by the left hand side with the first bracket by the right hand side. The same thing with that. So how we're going to do that? That is to say that 13 to the power of x plus x squared will be equal to what now? 13, right? Sorry, this is supposed to be 3. 13. Now you do the same thing. This will be equal to 5 now. That will be 3 to the power of x minus x to the power of 2 will be equal to 5 now. Now, for me, it's just very simple. We use simultaneous equation to evaluate that. You can use any method. Let us use elimination method. From here, we can just say you can decide to eliminate this first or eliminate this first. Each one you get the correct answer. So let's add this. This plus this will give us because the bases are the same. We have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. We're adding it. So that will give us 2 over 3 to the power of x, right? Will be now x squared minus x squared. That will give us 0. This will cancel away. So you are left with 13 plus this will be equals to 13 plus 5. That is going to be 18, right? Then for me, we can divide both sides by 2 and by 2. Now, when you divide both sides by 2, 2 will cancel 2, and you are left with 3 to the power of x will be equals to 18 divided by 2. That's going to give us 9, right? 9. Okay, so from here, what are we going to do? Now, you know that we can write 9 again as 3 to the power of x will be equals to 3 to the power of 2, right? That's 3 squared. And then from here, it's very obvious that the bases are the same. So that you say that x is equals to, you equate the power, which is 2. That is how to solve that equation. Very simple. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.